My name's John Butler. I work for Garrick One down the Gold Coast. I do the civils works for the NBN, so we're the first people in, open up the ground, put all the pipe work in. I have to locate any electrical or comms, making sure that we don't hit them. They all marry up with the dials that we get. We have to enter manholes, make sure the air quality is correct before we enter. I've been using Mobile Test and Cal now for 2 years. If my equipment breaks down or needs servicing straight away, straight onto Mobile Test and Cal. Happy to help out in any way possible. Recent experience, I needed the unit the next day, so a phone call to them, teed it up, dropped it in that afternoon, waited for an hour, had it all done. Come away that afternoon, straight back into work the next day, no downtime. You wouldn't expect that from, many places, but just explain my situation with Mobile Test and Cal and they were more than happy to help. If you've just got one piece that you need fixing or calibrating, or you've got a lot of stuff, like they do a mobile service, they can come out to your site, do all your equipment for you. Sometimes I've been other places, quite some distance away, so a phone call, put the item in a post pack, send it off with a bit of a note. They inform me when it arrives, then it's repaired, Mobile Test and Cal notify me that it's on its way back and I've got it back in a couple of days. I would highly recommend Mobile Test and Cal if you need your equipment calibrated.